this not... Are you not aroused? Are my viewers not aroused? I think they are.
I know why. Okay. Oh.
Blindfold. I need a blindfold.
Oh.
Okay. Are you not aroused? Here's the spoon. Oh, where's the plate?
Okay. Big spoon first, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna get 5, right? Yeah.
Okay. Wait, okay, wait. Okay. Oh god.
That's 1. I feel like I don't have any.
Oh god.
I dropped some.
Yeah.
Oh, I can feel it on my 3.
How are
It's a
you?
big one.
You're actually getting quite a bit.
4. Did you move this?
No, it's still there. Are you serious? You're getting so like I'm not even kidding. Okay. You actually got quite a bit.
Oh wow, okay. I thought you were doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Are you serious?
Yeah, 13.
And you need that blindfold.
Give me that blindfold.
This is. Are you not nervous? Okay.
I am very aroused.
Just gonna do this. Ow. Okay. Where's this film?
It's that's a knife. Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon? Here it is.
Okay. I don't know.
That's 1. Whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot right there. You're spilling them everywhere. It's 3.
I don't know how to do it.
It's 4. It's 5. Okay. See how many you have. I have 13, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those aren't on there.
When I said you had a lot, you really
Two,
didn't.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh, no, I'm using the little spoon now. Just put these out of the way. Because they're used. They're all aroused already. Oh my
Is that still on? Oh god, it is.
gosh.
Okay.
I can't even see if I'm in there. I'll make sure I'm in
Did I even get like a lot at one point? Like ever? Where's the other spoon? Bang.
There's a little spoon.
Hey, can you cut it?
Oh my gosh, my face. Okay.
Your face?
Okay. Well, I don't have my phone.
Mm.
I used to be obsessed with my sirens.
Oh god.
Those were dark ages.
And Justin Bieber.
And you had a pink room. Okay. Is this? Oh my gosh, where is this pin?
Okay.
No. It's upside down. Okay. don't have any. Oh man! Oh wait, I have some. Where are you going? You're leaving me, baby.
I'm right here. Oh, it's so zoomed in. Is that 5?
Yeah. Ow. Wow, I only got 4. Well, Arcana is way over here now. Give me that.
I'm gonna need that blindfold that's on your face. This one I'll make sure. Where's the spoon? And the... Nope. Okay. Where's the spoon, baby?
I really don't.
Is it in the thing?
Oh, wait, no, I got it. Okay.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. You spilled them all in your lap. Hot.
Damn.
I'm so aroused.
No. You better be.
Oh my god! Was that your 5th one? How? You just I don't,
Oh god.
okay. Loser doesn't have to do anything because we already did the cinnamon challenge today. We've done 3 challenges today. I feel so successful.
Want to do the salt and ice challenge?
What's that?
It doesn't. It hurts, but not bad. Okay.
It's my duty to please that booty. Yeah, ho ho, and a bottom of my gut. It's my duty to please that booty. Yeah, ho ho.